Hi guys and welcome to PC Tips Pro. In this video today we will see how you can download a email file from your Outlook email. So what is an email file? Actually email file is it's an email message that you save as a file. That means let's say if you want to save any particular email on your device and you want to import it to any other email client, so that can be done by downloading a email file for that particular email. So, and the thing is, when we talk about the proper use, like as I said, it's you can do it for backing purpose. If you want to achieve your email, you can do that. And if you want to, as I said, if you want to transfer your email between different email clients, you can do that by downloading an email client. Sorry, email the file. So how you can download an email file? Let's proceed further. First, go to your browser and log into your email. So I have this Google Chrome and let me open my email. So once you log into your email, you can open that particular email for which you want to create the email file. So let's say here this is a Udemy email. I have received the email from Udemy. So this email is about to purchase something from Udemy. Actually, I'm doing some courses online from Udemy. So this is the email I have received from them. So in order to create the email file here, what you need to do is to just once you open the email, head over here uh, on three dots. You can see here. Once you open the email, here three dots will come up. So click on these three dots, and then you can see an option coming up here, save as. So click on this save as, and now you can see here that once you click on save as, the email file will be downloaded to your desktop. You can see if I go and open this downloads, now in the downloads you can see it's a completed, and this is the file name. So now if in case if I want to open this folder, so I will click on this, so this on this finder, and you can see here this order complete.eml file is downloaded, and which has the size of 122 KB. So this is the best way you can just simply go ahead and download email file from your Outlook email. Same can be applied for Gmail or the Thunderbird or other email clients that you use to access your emails. So yeah, that's all in this video, guys. If you still have any query, if you still have any questions, you can just write in the comment area, and please do not forget to subscribe and like the video. Thank you so much, guys.